So greetings everyone, I am here to entertain you all with the rich cuisine of Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is well known for its culture, state of art and technology and other languages and etc. But moreover, food is most important, right? So most of the tribal and traditional dishes is made up of rice, flour, curd and green leafy vegetables. So if you want to go for an option of breakfast and that side, you can use the muthia, that is the rice rolls with white sauce, or also you can go for the ankela and chausela rotis. It's the best dish along chutneys. So next, if you want some healthy option, don't worry, there's also an option for that. Idar is well packed ground urad dal rotis and is rolled and layered alternately to give a sweet touch for the taste buds. But every state has its own specialty and Chhattisgarh has its own. It's the evening snack, that's the Bafauri. Bafauri is a well-known evening snack. It's cooked along with the chana dal and it is mixed with vegetables and spices, which gives the savoring taste for those dry dough balls. So that's exactly what we are going to see here. That's the recipe of Bafauri. Let's get started. So guys, let's continue on to the ingredients that's required for making of the Bafauri. So we have here is the soaked chana dal and a spoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, baking soda, chopped coriander, chili and onion and ginger garlic and other chopped vegetables like the beans, carrot and cabbage. So all we gotta do now is firstly grind this soaked chana dal. Okay, so let's transfer it to the jar. So now we have here the grinded chana dal. Let's transfer to the bowl. Okay, so it's transferred. Now all we gotta do now is transfer all the ingredients into this bowl. So salt, we have here salt. Let's put a pinch of turmeric powder, baking soda, garam masala. Let's mix it up. So along mixing, let's add the vegetables. So the vegetables are cabbage, carrots and beans and onions, finely chopped chilies, ginger, garlic and coriander and the remaining ingredients. So all we have to do now is mix these ingredients and pour it and make it ready for steaming. Okay, so now the batter is ready and the container is well coated with oil. So now let's put it into the small holdings of the container or the steamer. Just a half of the spatula is enough. Okay, now so the batter is ready to get steamed. So now let's place it in the steamer. Okay, so now we are just gonna leave it steam for about a few minutes and the Bafauri, the tasty evening snack, is actually ready. So simple, to really make a good evening snack for most of the Chhattisgarh people. So yes, the Bafauris are ready to serve now. Now let's serve it with green chutney and ketchup.